I did not know how I was going to make it and wanted to give up. I was tired of fighting and struggling. It seemed that, as one problem was solved, a new one arose.
Come with me to the kitchen, I show you a wonderful thing. Mother filled 3 pots with water and placed each on a high fire. Soon the pots came to a boil. In the first she placed carrots, in the second she placed eggs, and in the last she placed ground coffee beans. She let them sit and boil without saying a word. In about 20 minutes, she turned off the burners. She fished the carrots out and placed them in a bowl. She pulled the eggs out and placed them in a bowl. Then she ladled the coffee out and placed it in a bowl. Tell me, what do you see?
Carrots, eggs, and coffee?
Come here and feel the carrots.
I am feeling that carrots are soft.
Now you take an egg and break it.
After pulling off the shell, I observed the hard-boiled egg.
Now you sip the coffee.
Wow, now I can taste its rich aroma. What does it mean, Mother?
I explained you. Each of these objects had faced the same adversity, boiling water. But each reacted differently. The carrot went in strong, hard and unrelenting. However, after being subjected to the boiling water, it softened and became weak. The egg had been fragile. Its thin outer shell had protected its liquid interior. But, after sitting through the boiling water, its inside became hardened. The ground coffee beans were unique, however. After they were in the boiling water, they had changed the water. Which are you? When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a carrot, an egg, or a coffee bean? Think of this. Which am I? Am I the carrot that seems strong but, with pain and adversity, do I wilt and become soft and lose my strength? Am I the egg that starts with a malleable heart but changes with the heat? Did I have a fluid spirit but, after a death, a breakup or a financial hardship, does my shell look the same, but on the inside am I bitter and tough with a stiff spirit and a hardened heart? Or am I like the coffee bean? The bean actually changes the hot water, the very circumstance that brings the pain. When the water gets hot, it releases the fragrance and flavor. If you are like the bean, when things are at their worst, you get better and change the situation around you. When the hours of the darkest and trials are their greatest, do you elevate to another level? How do you handle adversity? Are you a carrot, an egg, or a coffee bean?
Thank you, Mama. You gave me a great lesson of life. I always be coffee bean.